If you're thinking about using Capital One Mobile, there are 12 key things you need to know before you dive in. While it's a strong contender in the mobile banking space, comparing it to other top apps like Chase or Wells Fargo, you'll want to make sure it fits your needs. Let's break it down. First thing, the app offers easy access to your accounts and balances with a sleek, user-friendly interface. It's quick to check your savings, credit card balances, and even track your spending. Compared to others like Chase's mobile app, Capital One offers a smooth experience, but lacks some of the deeper financial tools that other competitors provide. Next thing to know, the mobile deposit feature. Capital One's mobile deposit works efficiently, allowing you to deposit checks directly into your account. It's simple and fast, though the process may feel slightly slower than what you'll find in apps like Bank of America, which offer better accuracy and speed when it comes to check image capture. The third thing, the credit score tracker. One of Capital One's strongest features is its free credit score tracker, giving you a regular update on your score. This is a huge bonus for those trying to improve their credit, though many competitors like Discover also offer this service, so it's not unique, just a solid option within the app. Next thing, the app has robust security features. With two-factor authentication, facial recognition, and Touch ID, Capital One does a great job of keeping your account secure. While not the only app with these features, they are often praised for how intuitive and reliable the security options are. The fifth thing is budgeting tools. Capital One has a section in the app where you can track spending by category, helping you manage your finances. It's effective, but again, apps like Mint or Personal Capital offer more detailed breakdowns and advanced budgeting tools. Now the sixth thing, alerts and notifications. Capital One excels here, giving you timely alerts for everything from bill reminders to suspicious activity. Compared to competitors, the app's notifications are frequent but not overwhelming, and they give you control over what you want to be notified about. The seventh thing is mobile payments. If you want to make purchases with your phone, Capital One supports Apple Pay and Google Pay, which is great. This is a standard feature now, but still worth mentioning as Capital One integrates seamlessly with both platforms, much like other top banks. The eighth thing, bill pay. Capital One offers a simple bill pay service directly from the app. You can pay bills on time without leaving the app, though competitors like Wells Fargo offer more comprehensive bill pay systems with more customizable features. Next, let's talk about the app's integration with other financial tools. If you use Capital One for everything, you'll find it integrates well with services like Amazon and PayPal. However, if you rely on a variety of tools across different platforms, you might find apps like Chase or Citi better at pulling everything together in one dashboard. The 10th thing, it's important to note that the app isn't as good at handling advanced transactions like wire transfers or international payments. While it can handle basic transactions, larger transfers can require more manual processes compared to apps like PayPal or Western Union. The 11th thing, mobile app performance. While the app works well for most basic tasks, there can be occasional glitches or lags, especially when the app updates or experiences heavy traffic. This is something you'll find less frequently in competitors like Bank of America, which tends to offer a more polished experience. Finally, Capital One Mobile shines with its customer service. If you need assistance, reaching out through the app is easy. You can chat with a representative or call directly for support. However, if you're comparing it to apps like Chase or Wells Fargo, the response time can feel a little slower at times. So, is Capital One Mobile worth it? Overall, it's a solid option for mobile banking, offering great features for managing everyday finances. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive tool, you might want to try our recommended solution, available for free. Check it out today to see if it fits your needs better.